Hello, math superstars! Today, we're solving 10 exciting two-step math problems made just for second graders. You'll have 15 seconds to solve each question before we reveal the answer. Are you ready to become a math champion? Let's get started. Question 1. Emma has 12 books. She gets 7 more books for her birthday. Then she gets 5 more books from the library. How many books does Emma have now? Three, 2, 1. Answer. The correct answer is Emma has 24 books altogether. Let's solve it together. First, add 12 plus 7. That equals 19. Then add 5 more. 19 plus 5 equals 24. Awesome job! Question 2. There are 15 ducks in a pond. 6 more ducks arrive. Then 4 more ducks join them. How many ducks are there now? Three, 2, 1. Answer. That's right. There are 25 ducks in the pond. Let's check our work. 15 plus 6 equals 21. Then 21 plus 4 equals 25. You're doing great. Question 3. Lucas has 18 marbles. He finds 9 more. Later, he wins 6 more. How many marbles does he have now? Three, 2, 1. Answer. The correct answer is Lucas has 33 marbles now. Let's solve it. First, 18 plus 9 equals 27. Then, 27 plus 6 equals 33. Fantastic work. Question 4. Sophia has 27 candies. She eats 8 candies. Then she gives 5 candies to her sister. How many candies does Sophia have left? Three, 2, 1. Sophia has 14 candies left. Let's solve it together. 27 minus 8 equals 19. Then 19 minus 5 equals 14. Excellent thinking. Question 5. There are 34 balloons. 9 balloons pop during the party. Then 8 balloons fly away. How many balloons are left? Three, 2, 1. Answer. The answer is there are 17 balloons left. Here's how. First, 34 minus 9 equals 25. Then, 25 minus 8 equals 17. Nice work. Halfway break, wow! You're already halfway through. You're doing an amazing job solving these two-step math problems. If you're having fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting math quizzes every week. Ready for the last 5 questions? Let's go! Question 6. Noah has 40 toy cars. He gives 12 to his cousin. Then he donates 9 more. How many toy cars does Noah have left? Three, 2, 1. Answer. That's correct. Noah has 19 toy cars left. Let's check. First, 40 minus 12 equals 28. Then, 28 minus 9 equals 19. Awesome job! Question 7. There are 6 baskets. Each basket has 4 apples. Then 5 more apples are added. How many apples are there altogether? Three, 2, 1. Answer. The correct answer is there are 29 apples altogether. Let's solve it step by step. First, 6 times 4 equals 24. Then, 24 plus 5 equals 29. Fantastic. Question 8. There are 7 boxes. Each box has 5 pencils. Then 8 more pencils are added. How many pencils are there in total? 3, 2, 1. Great work! There are 43 pencils in total. Let's solve it. First, 7 times 5 equals 35. Then, 35 plus 8 equals 43. Excellent! Question 9. There are 24 cookies. They are shared equally among 4 children. Then, each child gets 3 more cookies. How many cookies does each child have now? Three, 2, 1. The answer is each child has 9 cookies. Let's solve it. First, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Then, 6 plus 3 equals 9. Great thinking. Question 10. There are 36 oranges. They are shared equally among 6 friends. Then, each friend gets 5 more oranges. How many oranges does each friend have now? Three, 2, 1. Fantastic! Each friend has 11 oranges. Let's solve it together. First, 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Then, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Amazing! Wow! You solved all 10 two-step math problems. You did an incredible job using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The more you practice, the stronger your math skills become. If you enjoyed today's quiz, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another fun math challenge. Thanks for playing with us today. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep having fun with math. We'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!